Morning habits for a productive day. 1. The importance of a morning routine. Why do we need a morning routine? Well, studies show that how we start our day impacts our mood, productivity, and stress levels. A structured morning routine creates a sense of stability, preparing us for the day's challenges. According to Harvard Business Review, routines can boost productivity by helping us approach tasks with a fresh mindset. So, a morning routine isn't just a trend, it's a productivity booster that can benefit almost anyone. 2. Wake up early. First up, let's talk about waking up early. Studies suggest that early risers are often more proactive and effective at managing time. Try setting your alarm just 30 minutes to an hour earlier than usual. This gives you quiet, uninterrupted time to focus on yourself. A survey in the Journal of Applied Social Psychology showed that people who wake up early often feel more optimistic and less stressed. So, waking up a little earlier could be the change you need to feel more energized and motivated throughout the day. 3. Start with hydration. After a full night's sleep, your body is dehydrated and needs water to kickstart its functions. Start your morning with a full glass of water. It's a simple habit with big benefits. Hydration supports brain function, metabolism, and energy levels. Some studies even suggest that drinking water first thing can improve focus. And if plain water isn't appealing, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of Himalayan salt for an added boost. 4. Move your body. Movement in the morning is essential to get your blood flowing and wake up your muscles. You don't have to hit the gym, a few minutes of stretching, yoga, or a light jog can work wonders. Morning exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones, which elevate your mood and increase your alertness. According to a study by the American Council on Exercise, morning workouts can also improve focus and productivity for the entire day. So, whether it's a quick workout or gentle stretching, aim to move your body each morning. 5. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Next, let's talk about mindfulness or meditation. Starting your day with a few minutes of mindfulness can improve your mental clarity and reduce stress. Studies from Harvard Health suggest that meditation can help sharpen focus and increase self-awareness, which can set a positive tone for the day. Begin with just 5 minutes of deep breathing, focusing on each inhale and exhale. This practice is known to lower cortisol levels, helping you stay calm and centered. 6. Plan your day with intentions. Setting intentions for the day is a powerful way to stay on track. Take a moment to list your top 3 priorities. Think about what you want to achieve and how it aligns with your long-term goals. Research from the American Psychological Association shows that setting intentions can increase commitment and productivity. It's like giving yourself a roadmap for the day. So before diving into work, ask yourself, what will make today successful? 7. Review your goals. It's easy to lose sight of our long-term goals in the hustle of daily tasks. Reviewing your goals each morning helps keep you focused and motivated. This habit reminds you of the bigger picture and connects today's actions to your future success. You can use a vision board or write down your goals in a journal. This practice has been shown to increase motivation and goal attainment, as found in research from the Journal of Behavioral Medicine. 8. Embrace gratitude. Starting the day with gratitude has powerful effects on your mental and emotional well-being. Take a few moments to think about 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act can rewire your brain to focus on positivity, according to studies from the Greater Good Science Center at UC Berkeley. Regularly practicing gratitude can lower stress levels, improve mood, and even boost productivity. So, begin each day by focusing on the positives. It can transform your mindset. 9. Limit digital distractions. In today's world, digital distractions are one of the biggest productivity killers. Avoid checking your phone first thing in the morning. Instead, focus on your routine without interruptions. A study by the American Psychological Association found that digital distractions can reduce productivity by 40%. So, keep your phone on Do Not Disturb and resist the urge to check notifications until you've completed your morning routine. 10. Create a positive environment. Your environment impacts your mood and productivity more than you might think. A clean, organized space can make you feel calmer and more motivated. Studies published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology show that a tidy environment reduces stress and enhances productivity. So, spend a few minutes organizing your workspace. Add items that inspire you, like plants, art, or motivational quotes, to make your space a positive and productive environment. 11. Fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Your body needs fuel to function optimally. A healthy breakfast that includes protein, fiber, and whole grains can improve focus and energy. Studies show that a nutritious breakfast boosts cognitive function and stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing mid-morning crashes. So, try something balanced like oatmeal with fruit and nuts, or a smoothie packed with greens and protein. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more self-development content, and share your morning habits in the comments below. Here's to a productive day and a productive life.